Hello everyone. Welcome back to CSN IT Tutorials by Vrishali. First of all, thank you so much for such a good response and positive feedback. Please share my channel with your friends and subscribe it. That will be beneficial for your university exam, entrance exam and interview purpose. So firstly tell me, are you a fresher from diploma, engineering, BSc, MSc, BCA, MCA student from CS, IT, AIDS, AIML or other related stream? So this video is just for you. Most of the students asked me like are there any free certifications from big companies for beginner? So the answer is yes. Today I will show you some of the free certification for beginner level from Google, Microsoft and Databricks. So first we will discuss why these certifications matters. See, basically all these certifications improve your resume. You can add this certificate in your resume in your LinkedIn profile. This is a plus and strong point for you. Again, it helps in internship and placement purpose, and this all certification shows us your learning mindset, right? Like you are a active learner, you are a strong learner. Basically all these certifications gives you basic expertise in programming language, in database connectivity, and also they clear your technical concepts, right? They make your base, your foundation strong. That's why all these certifications matters. Now let's discuss all this. See, simplilearn SkillUp is the free learning platform as a beginner where you can learn in-demanded tech skill freely. Now our first course is Data Analyst. This course provided by the Microsoft. This is a content partner, right? And this course is designed to take you from basic of Excel formulas to more functional skills that are essential in data analyst or in data scientist role. So this course is for 2 hours. Also you will get the completion certificate. Now here you will learn about introduction to Microsoft Excel, then some mathematical function, then also advanced function, date time function, then financial function, right? If you are interested in data analyst, data scientist, then financial analyst, project manager, business analyst, this kind of role. So as a beginner, this is a best course for you, right? Also, they will give you a completion certificate. So this is the first course provided by the Microsoft. Now, second next course is Power BI for beginners. So Power BI, one of the most demanded tool for data visualization and business intelligence. So this is a 6-hour course. Also you will get the completion certificate. So here you will learn about what is Power BI, then different functionalities that used in Power BI tool like filter, group by, then data modeling techniques, then Power BI dashboard, demo for creating relationship in Power BI, right? So again, if you are interested in data analyst, then a Power BI developer, business analyst, so as a beginner, this is one of the best course for you. They give you a introductory or real life examples of Power BI course for data visualization and data analyzing purpose. Now, next course is Introduction to Prompt Engineering with GitHub Copilot. Again, content partner is Microsoft. See, this for this particular course 4.5 rating is there. See here. So basically prompt engineering means crafting the right instruction. So Copilot gives you a better and more accurate code suggestion. Copilot just work like a chat GPT, right? So here you will learn about the introduction of GitHub Copilot. Then also you will learn about how prompt engineering work. Then a basic or foundation of prompt engineering. You will also learn about particular user prompt process flow there, right? Then GitHub Copilot large language model is there. So basically it helps you to write code faster and smarter, right? Here you will learn about all the basic and real world techniques. So this is a 1 hour a fresher friendly course with certificate. So I'm suggesting you, if you are interested in prompt engineering, DevOps engineer or AI engineer, so as a beginner, this is the best course for you. Now, next course is Introduction to Generative AI Studio. So this course was provided by the Google Cloud. See, 4.6 rating is there and more than 1 lakh learner enroll for this course. So see here. So basically generative AI is one of the fastest growing technology today with a huge demand across the industry. So this is just introductory course, a 1 hour course. Also they will give you a completion certificate. So those students who are curious about AI tools, so this is the best starting for you. So here you will get the detailed knowledge as a beginner level for generative AI studio, right? This is more interesting one in artificial intelligence in data analyst field. Again, next course is Google AI Essential Specialization course. This course available in Coursera, then provided by the Google. See here, more than 3 lakh students have already enrolled for this course. So it is a 4 hour course. Also you will get the certificate, beginner level course and 4.8 rating is there. So it is designed for anyone, those student new in AI, in artificial intelligence field, and you have a no coding experience required. It helps you to understand how to use AI tools effectively in real life. See here, they covered the topic like introduction to AI, then discover the art of prompting AI responsibly, then some AI curve is there, right? And after completion of this course, you will also earn some shareable certificate, right? So you can add it in your resume, in your LinkedIn profile. So as a beginner, this is the best for you. Now, next course is SQL Analytics and BI. That course provided by the Databricks. So Databricks is widely used company for big data analytics than data engineering. So this learning gives you a strong industry exposure here. So this is a 2 hour course. Also you will get the completion certificate. So here you will learn about what is Databricks, then using Databricks for data analytics purpose. Then again Power BI, AI tools are there. You will learn all those things. So if you are interested in data analyst, data engineer, machine learning engineer role, so as a fresher, this is the best for you. This is a great addition in your resume, right? See, also this particular type of certificates you will get after completing this course. Now, next course is related to the digital marketing. Some of the student interested in digital marketing, right? So digital marketing is one of the fastest growing skill area because almost every business need online visibility, right? See, 4.5 rating is there, beginner level course, and this course required 5 hours for completion. Also you will get the completion certificate. So more than 1 lakh learner have already enrolled for this course. So here you will learn about what is digital marketing, then types of digital marketing, then again SEO optimization, social media marketing tips and tricks, then Google searching ads are there. So this is the best course those who are interested in digital market field, right? See here. So this is the best one for digital marketers, sales professional, then business owners are there, right? So again, on simplilearn there are multiple free courses are available. See, introduction to data analytics, MS Excel, then again blockchain developer course is there, Python for beginner is there. So I have mentioned link of all this course in our below description box, right? You can check it there and give me your feedback. So this is all about. See, don't just complete the course and forget it. After finishing the course, mention this certificate in your resume, in your LinkedIn profile. It shows recruiters that you are an active learner, you are upgrading your skill and also ready for industry. For fresher student, This course helps us to stand out from the crowd. So one small course make a big changes in your internship, in your job application and also interview. So do it properly. So thank you so much. Please share my channel with your friends and subscribe it. All the best. Thank you.